Hi, in this quick demo, we'll illustrate how you can use Netwrix solutions to ensure the security of your sensitive data and critical business systems and pass compliance audits with less effort and expense. Meet Rob. He's just been hired by Best Company as an IT security manager. Best Company didn't have a dedicated security person before, so Rob has a lot to take care of. To get started on the right foot, he decides to adopt the NIST cybersecurity framework, which regards data security as a 5-stage process: identify, protect, detect, respond, and recover. Let's see how Netwrix solutions help him with each of those stages. First, he needs to learn about the current security status of the company's IT systems and identify both data and infrastructure security gaps. Luckily, Netwrix Solutions offers advanced risk assessment functionality. Rob can see right away that there are a lot of shared folders accessible by everyone, which means that Best Company is at risk of a serious data breach and penalties for non-compliance. Rob decides to dig deeper and see just how many files containing sensitive information are stored on these shared folders. 1,020 files containing PCI DSS data on a public share? That's a lot. The next step is to protect this data. With Netwrix Solutions, Rob can automatically quarantine all the overexposed files until he can get back to them and make proper remediation decisions. He just needs to set up a workflow and define the rules. Perfect. Now all files that contain PCI DSS data will be automatically moved to a secure location, and Rob will be notified when it happens. The workflow will stay active in case more files with sensitive data pop up in the wrong place in the future. Suddenly, Rob gets an alert. T. Simpson has removed a massive amount of data from SharePoint. Has Rob just detected a security breach, or was the deletion just part of a normal SharePoint cleanup procedure? Interactive search is a good way to investigate this unusual activity and make an informed decision about how to respond. Here are all the actions related to T. Simpson. The account was created by J. Carter and then gradually given access permissions to the data that was just removed from SharePoint. Does T. Simpson have access to any other SharePoint objects? Yes, the report on account permissions shows there are 6 in all. J. Carter was the one who granted all the access, so let's run another search to review J. Carter's activity. That account is currently disabled. It was removed from privileged groups and then disabled by Doug, a senior system administrator. Doug says J. Carter used to be the IT manager at Best Company but was fired recently. This is looking more and more suspicious. What if J. Carter performed other illicit actions in any of Best Company's IT systems? And here we are. He also accessed the CEO's mailbox right before Doug disabled his account. Looks like Rob has just successfully uncovered a security incident. Now, Rob has to recover from it. Let's take a closer look at the important files that have been removed by T. Simpson. Rob will send this report to the IT team so they can restore the deleted files as soon as possible to avoid any business disruptions. To avoid similar incidents in the future, Rob decides to incorporate the lesson learned into his security process by holding regular entitlement reviews. That process will help him spot excessive permissions to critical data in a timely manner so he can revoke them before they can be misused. He also decides to start taking advantage of the Behavior Anomaly Discovery functionality, which will enable him to see at a glance exactly which users pose the most risk to Best Company and easily review all the anomalous activity alerts each user triggered across all audited systems. That way, Rob and his team will be able to spot malicious insiders and compromised accounts even if they tread carefully. Now it's time for Rob to turn to audit preparations. Since PCI DSS requires Best Company to maintain a firewall configuration that protects cardholder data, Rob subscribes Jane, the lead network administrator, to reports about the company's network devices. In addition, Jane will create an alert to be notified whenever anyone else makes a change to the configuration of a network device. She'll attach a custom script to the alert so the originating IP address will automatically be blacklisted. By building similar processes for other PCI DSS requirements and having hard data to prove they're in place, Rob will be able to demonstrate to auditors that Best Company is proactively looking for issues and can remediate them before it's too late. These are just some of the ways that Netwrix solutions are helping over 10,000 organizations around the world secure their sensitive data and pass compliance audits with less effort and expense. Here are some more things that make Netwrix stand out in the marketplace. Faster time to value. You'll see return on your investment in days, not months. Easy to use. With our intuitive solutions, powerful data security is made easy. First-class support. Get the help you need at every stage of your journey from our knowledgeable customer support team. Visit Netwrix.com to learn more about Netwrix solutions, take an interactive in-browser demo, and get a price quote tailored to your specific needs.